Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of long-range electric bikes to bring you the top 5 options on the market as of August 2025. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or just cruising through the city, these e-bikes are designed to take you further in style and comfort. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the StopSad 14-inch electric bike for adults. This compact yet capable folding e-bike is perfect for urban commuters or anyone looking for a lightweight portable option. The StopSad features a 500-watt motor that delivers a top speed of 22 miles per hour, making it a great choice for zipping through city traffic. The 48V 12-amp-hour removable battery offers a range of up to 22 miles in pedal assist mode, which is sufficient for most daily commutes. One standout feature is its ability to fold down quickly, weighing just 48 pounds, allowing you to store it in a car trunk or a small apartment with ease. In terms of design, the StopSad boasts a sturdy carbon steel frame and 14-inch durable tires, which provide decent stability for its size. The bike feels well-built, with dual disc brakes ensuring reliable stopping power. The adjustable seat and handlebars make it suitable for riders of varying heights, though it's most comfortable for those under 6 feet tall. Its LED display is simple and effective, showing speed, battery levels, and riding modes, which include all-electric, pedal assist, and manual bicycle mode. While the StopSad is a practical option for short urban rides, its limited range and smaller wheels may not be ideal for longer commutes or off-road adventures. However, if you're looking for an affordable, portable, and efficient city bike, this one is worth considering. Pros include its lightweight frame, ease of folding, and decent motor for city speeds. On the downside, the range is on the lower side, and the smaller tires don't handle rough terrain as well. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the generic electric bike for adults. This 14-inch folding e-bike is another compact option, but it steps up the game with features like a 500-watt peak motor that handles 30 degrees inclines and a top speed of 23 miles per hour. Equipped with a 48-volt, 12-amperage removable battery, it offers a maximum range of 38 miles in pedal assist mode, making it a versatile choice for both urban commutes and moderate trail rides. It also folds down to a compact size in just 10 seconds, making it a breeze to store or transport. The design and build quality of this e-bike are impressive, with an aluminum alloy frame that feels durable yet lightweight. The front suspension helps absorb some of the bumps on uneven roads, and the dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. It's also packed with thoughtful touches like an LCD display, bright LED lights for night riding, and an anti-theft alarm system, which is a unique addition at this price point. However, this bike has its limitations. While the range is decent, the smaller wheels and lightweight frame mean it's better suited for city streets than rough terrain. Additionally, at 60 pounds, it's not the lightest option in its class. Pros include its hill climbing capability, excellent braking system, and compact folding design. On the downside, the smaller wheel size and heavier weight might not appeal to everyone. If you're looking for a commuter bike that's easy to store and handles inclines well, this is a fantastic option. At number 3, we have the ebikes 26 electric bike, a powerhouse designed for long-distance riders and off-road adventurers. This e-bike is equipped with a peak 1500-watt motor, allowing it to reach an exhilarating top speed of 34 miles per hour and tackles steep 30-degree inclines with ease. The 48-volt, 18-amp-hours removable battery is another highlight, offering an impressive range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, making it one of the longest range options in this lineup. The build quality is top-notch, with a high carbon steel frame and 26-inch fat tires that provide excellent stability and grip on diverse terrains, from sand and snow to gravel and pavement. The adjustable suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, and the dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. The LCD display and Bluetooth-enabled app provide a modern touch, allowing you to track your ride data, customize settings, and even use GPS tracking for added security. While the ebikes shines in performance and durability, its weight and size make it less portable. At 63 pounds, it's not the easiest bike to carry around, and its larger frame may not suit everyone. Pros include its incredible range, powerful motor, and all-terrain capability. On the downside, it's heavy and less compact, which could be a deal-breaker for commuters. If you're looking for a high-performance e-bike for long rides or off-road adventures, the ebikes is a stellar choice. Our runner-up is the Commuter Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike, a versatile and powerful option for both on-road and off-road enthusiasts. With a peak 1100-watt motor, it reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour and handles hills and rough terrains effortlessly. The 48V13AH removable battery provides a range of up to 40 miles in throttle mode, making it a reliable companion for a variety of adventures. The Commuter stands out with its robust aluminum frame and 20-inch fat tires, which offer excellent traction and stability on all terrains. The foldable step-through design makes it convenient to store and transport, while the front suspension ensures a smooth ride. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with dual disc brakes, integrated LED lights, and a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain that enhances control and adaptability. While the Commuter is a strong contender, it's not the lightest option, weighing it at 63 pounds. Additionally, its range, while decent, doesn't quite match up to some of the other options on this list. Pros include its powerful motor, all-terrain tires, and foldable design. Cons include its weight and slightly limited range. Overall, this bike is an excellent choice for those who want a balance of power, versatility, and portability. Finally, taking the top spot is the Commuter's 20-inch folding electric bike, a perfect blend of performance, portability, and affordability. This e-bike is powered by a 500-watt peak motor, reaching a top speed of 20 mph and offering a range of up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for daily commuting and casual rides. The foldable design is a major plus, allowing you to store it in small spaces or transport it in your car's trunk effortlessly. The Commuter stands out with its durable iron frame and 20-inch tires that handle various terrains with ease. The large LCD display provides all your ride metrics at a glance, while the dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Additional features like the LED headlight, rear reflector, and a bell enhance safety during both day and night rides. At just 45 pounds, it's one of the lighter options in its category, making it a breeze to carry around. The Commuter isn't without its limitations. It's not the fastest or the most rugged bike on this list. However, its balance of features, ease of use, and portability make it the best all-rounder. Pros include its foldable design, lightweight frame, and excellent battery life. On the downside, its top speed may not satisfy thrill seekers, and it's not built for extreme off-road conditions. Overall, the Commuter is an exceptional choice for commuters and recreational riders who want a reliable and convenient e-bike without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best long-range electric bike. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these e-bikes, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy riding!